HevenDrones launches first hydrogen-powered commercial drone. By DroneLife staff writer Ian M. Crosby. Today, HevenDrones launched the H2D55, the company's first hydrogen-powered drone for commercial use. Boasting 5 times greater energy efficiency than that of a traditional lithium battery-powered drone, the lightweight H2D55 can fly for 100 minutes with a payload capacity of 7 kilograms. The H2D55 will be unveiled at IDEX later this month. The H2D55 is the first in a planned lineup of 3 hydrogen-fueled drones made to address lithium battery-powered drones' flight endurance and payload capacity limitations, in addition to the long-term environmental impact of lithium mining. Without needing to regularly replace batteries, hydrogen fuel cells will also lower long-term ownership costs. The forthcoming models in the product line will be released over the next 9 months and will improve upon the H2D55's payload capacity while maintaining its flight endurance. The carbon-neutral H2D product line is designed to be fully customizable to suit the user's needs. Potential commercial applications range from last-mile and just-in-time (JIT) delivery, measuring the nutrient levels of soil and precision crop spraying, to collecting risk assessment data for construction companies, surveying real estate for reforestation projects, and aiding emergency responders in risk assessment and delivery of life-saving equipment. Meanwhile, defense applications include intensive surveillance missions and supplying greater quantities of medical aid, food, and ammunition to soldiers. The H2D55 features a control system consisting of multiple gyroscopes and supporting algorithms, considerably extending the operating limits of stable flight. We are delighted to bring hydrogen-powered drones to the global market, and we are excited to see the expanding range of use cases across numerous industries, said HevenDrones founder and CEO Bent Zion Levinson. Not only do actionable drones add immense value to key areas of our economy and society, but we are working to ensure that this value is compounded by reduced carbon emissions and general energy efficiency by using hydrogen. The H2D55 is our first step towards achieving this vision.